Hi, today let's understand the concept of systematic withdrawal plan. SWP Historical Performance Report of Sundaram Midcap Fund Regular Plan Growth. Assumption is an amount of around 50 lakhs was invested on the NFO launch date of Sundaram Midcap Fund, that is on 19th July 2002. SWP's period started on 19th August 2002 and it has lasted till 25th April 2024. SWP was capped at 8% per annum. SWP was done monthly. An amount of around 33,333 rupees was withdrawn on a month-on-month basis for 261 months. The total amount which has been withdrawn is 86 lakhs 99,000 rupees. The market value of Sundaram Midcap Fund as on 25th April 2024 is 44 crores 12 lakhs 7,000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. The market value of Sundaram Midcap Fund as on 25th April 2024 is 44 crores 12 lakhs 7,000 rupees. XIRR returns generated by this fund is 25.28%. When there are multiple transactions happening at different time periods, XIRR method is used to calculate the returns on investment. So, three reasons to invest in systematic withdrawal plan. Systematic withdrawal plan will give regular income. 2. Systematic withdrawal plan will give flexibility. 3. Systematic withdrawal plan will give liquidity. To know more about the SWP performance of other schemes, you can call us on 9980 1270. Thanks.